this noise. So that noise is going to come into the equipment.
But one of the basic rules of air conditioning in an auditorium is that the air conditioning plant has to be isolated from the theatre. That's the basic rule. So I don't see how, and it was done earlier. Charles Courier designed the air conditioning plant is isolated. See now, look at
it. Bright dim ke liye. See this. Yeah, what choba jata? Huh?
How somebody is going to perform with this?
You can't look.
The heat also is generated.
Heat generating.
Anyway, you just continue.
So that is one of the basic rules I was saying about air conditioning as far as the AHU and the plant. So we have to ask them for their suggestions how they are going to isolate this noise and stop this noise.
And no, I think that maybe when the collective was built, they were working with much less sophisticated air conditioning. Incompetent have been brought into company. It is very, very sad that we've got such a good infrastructure which has got destroyed through arrogance and unwillingness to take help from people who could have helped was doing this. An artist community is was the best community to be able to give. What is that? I think that everything is going wrong over here. There was an acoustic consultant, I think, over here who probably didn't know his voice.
We'll talk about the speakers on the side.
Yeah, outside.
Green room
The green room पटा.
See, if you don't get blinded on the stage, the artist will definitely get blinded here.
So, Yuri, I had a chance to perform on a lot of stages, and these bright lights just burn your skin.
They are burning now.
Yes, you can feel, and if all are not even put under 21 on one level itself, and this really hurt the skin of the artist.
Go. Go to the
No, get comes and work inside.
Light on it. Light on कर रहे हैं.
You can see there is no lights around.
यार यहाँ तो
PWD.
बहुत ही
बाकीचे स्विच किती का हात आहे चालून जाईल.
हाँ बाकीचे.
आपण यार
And this is in a very shabby condition.
required to do, they have not done anything.
No, they are supposed to be actually covering this and making it. See, why you need a window here when there's a door? It's supposed to be
nice comment made by us.
Change this week. यात्रा को इमेजिन करा दी यात्रा को रेगुलर लगता है सन
तो तुम्हें फुलने या फुलने
या स्पीड इंटू गेले ये और भी आऊं म्हणजे एक कतार कंप्लीट झालं
कॉमेडी सीन
ना नाटकाचं मी टायमिंग वाढवतो वाटतं 3 वर 15 मिनिटं त्या 15 मिनिटं फक्त पडते
ते फुल टॅप वर काढ ಅದು ವೇರ್ ಗಾರ್ಡ್ ದಿಸ್ನಾ ಮಾಡ್ತು
and also doesn't touch fully down.
आता खरें थिएटर सुशेगाद गोंयकार जाला पण तो
हें कितें रे वयर वयर पळय But this was proposed first by artists to make it this slow. This is common sense, no? That PWD requires to tell the artist about the problem, such type of thing.
But main curtain
नाला हे जे टिकेटीचे बी ती आता टिकेटीचे बरोबर पडटा 3 वरां पण ते करपा 15 मिनिटां एडिशनल होल सगळ्या चेंज करपाक तेच्या बरोबर म्हणून
चेक तुम्ही चेक करनासतना ओपन केले रे ओपन फॉर पब्लिक चेक केलं ना पयलीं
ओपन तेंच्यांनी करूंक ना PWDन करूंक ना हँडओव्हर करूंक ना
अजून करू ना
तेंच्यांनी डिसायड केलें आर्ट एंड कल्चरल की आमी करतले आनी कित्याक ताका नाटक करपाक जाय आसलें
कित्याक शिरकोलो
सो कळ्ळें तेंच्यांनी फटाफट केलें आपल्या
हँडेड ओव्हर
अजून PWDन हँडओव्हर करूंक ना ते कला अकादमी म्हणटा आमचे कडेन ना ते थंय काय कोण बुकींग करपाक वचना सो असं सिच्युएशन आसा
This speed is now rectified after Rajni.
After Rajni play.
Yeah, this speed, yeah. But these comedy scenes been असं theater त्रास जाता.
हय मा बेगी बेगी येयला
फाटल्यान तेन्ना सेट आसता न्हू चेंज करपाक.
The working light, sir.
ही तांची वर्किंग लायट
Working light.
कर ओपन कर. कर ओपन कर
ते ओपन कर ते चालू कर बंद झाले
लाईट पेट मार. ओपन कर.
लाईट वयर वयता
LED थंय वयता वय.
पण ऑलरेडी तो पडतो तेंकता लायटी
तेच पळय न्ही तेच पळय न्ही तेच पळय म्हाका बोलता ती बेश्टी वर्किंग लायट
That's what I was saying. No, the spacing of the bars is completely messed up. Abhi the spacing on your lahle.
So till the lights go out, then the curtain.
is very important.
Yeah, see that is the main effort, because then this is a when you see this is called a music pit. So only when it's a musical performance is used. Otherwise, theatre or natak, the artist will go right up there. So the lighting comes from there. Now if you see over there, there was an entire section which was open, and there was a gallery behind it, from which you can adjust the lights and put it onto the artist. That section they have just sealed it.
What is the reason?
They don't know lighting.
now this is practically impossible to access the pictures
Yeah, it is. We try.
What is
earlier we used to walk
there and adjust.
walk आणि ऍडजस्ट करताले म्हणजे आता ऍडजस्ट करताले ऍडजस्ट
Just
करताले
now me and Roger went to climb up. We're all dirty from that. There is no access to it.
ती आयडिया कोणान दिली करूंक
इवन मडगांव बी तशेंच आसा मडगांव अशेंच आसा
Not able to light up any person's face. How will we give face lighting? Not possible. For any lights that are up here will not give you face lighting. It has to come from there only.
So we'll ask him, no, he's the light. What is the secret of that?
ते कित्याक बंद केला वयर?
they'll have to make an additional gallery or something additional झाले सर म्हणून तो त्याक बॉक्स हे झालो
वय रे डाक मागीर पयलीं कलाकारां प्रोटेक्ट करूं जाय न्हू ते दिसपा ना जाल्यार लोकांक कितें हें कोतलो कोणा इंट्रस्ट ते तुमी पयले डिपार्टमेंटाचे ओ द पर्सन हू आर परफॉर्मिंग
ना कॅटवॉक हा ब्लॉक झाला. फ्रॉम द टाइम नोव्हेंबरान ऑडिटोरियम तुम्ही ओपन केला तेन्ना सावन एकूय लायट केन्ना खंयच्याय फंक्शनाक वापरल्या तुमी? ही लायटी
ऑन करतात ते फंक्शन
ऍडजस्ट करपाक मेळटा
ऍडजस्ट करपाक मेळटा करपाक मेळटा पूण तुमी म्हणटा तशें त्या पयलीं भशेन कम्फर्टेबल ना मातशें बँड जावचें पडटा
ना हुंच्यान पावंक हुंच्यान जाय रे थिंगासान ब्लॉक जाला.
ना वता डक्टा कडल्यान म्हणजे सामकें न्हिदूनच
म्हाका एक सांग तुम्ही वयर ते ओल्ड एसी डक्स आसले ते काडल्या
ना ते आसा
तेय आहा आनी तुमी नया डक घातले मागीर जागो खूंय उरला थिंगा हें कितें मनोवर करपाक.
आसा बसून पूण नॉट तूं म्हणटा तशें कम्फर्टेबल चलपाक जायना यू हॅव टू बँड आनी
आमी पावंकूच ना मरे वयर आमी ट्राय केल्या पळय बुरशे जाले वचून.
बेसिकली आर्टिस्ट हॅव टू बँड
थिंग ऊस पेटवल्या मागीर कितको एशको वयतले पायप घेवन ऊस लागल्या